There's breaking news that's coming in from Pakistan. I want to quickly get across to that. There's more diplomatic embarrassment for Pakistan's Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, and he's been caught on camera. So Shahbaz Sharif had to wait about 40 minutes, not 5 minutes, not 10 minutes, but over 40 minutes for a meeting with the Russian President Vladimir Putin. He kept waiting. I want you to look at those images very carefully. The RT has put out those images. When the wait got too long, the Pakistani Prime Minister gate crashed into a meeting that President Putin was having with Turkey's President Erdogan, and he was ushered out within minutes. This video has now gone viral. Take a look.
Excuse me.
Just into a room where Shahbaz Sharif barges into a room where President Putin is having a meeting with Turkey's President Erdogan. Sharif gate crashed into that meeting, and look at his expression and the security. They were quite perplexed. Here is a head of government who barges into a meeting between two heads of state. They let him go, but they stopped not only his security detail, but even others. His security detail wasn't permitted. He barges in, stays there, and then is ushered out. I want to bring in our Foreign Affairs editor, Geeta Mohan, for more on this. Geeta, this is hugely embarrassing. Why did this happen? What more do we know?
Well, we don't have real details on what really transpired, but it does seem like, according to reports, that he was made to wait for 40 minutes or over 40 minutes. And then he went into the room where he thought President Putin was. But a meeting was already ongoing between the two leaders of Turkey and Russia, and therefore he was ushered out. Certainly a very embarrassing and awkward situation for a head of government, for a premier of a state such as Pakistan that seems to be quite close to Turkey, if not Russia. But yes, Russia also intends to engage Pakistan, and we saw that earlier as well. But this certainly is quite an awkward moment where he was not only made to wait, but he was also asked to leave the room where a meeting was already underway.
Okay, Geeta, many thanks. There is a film dialogue of actor Kangana Ranaut in a movie where she says, "Abhi to aur zaleel hona hai," hame, or words to that effect, and that's exactly what's happening with Shahbaz Sharif and with Pakistan. But we'll be tracking that story closely.